Good morning, dear students. So let us start today's online class. Today we are going to start with the workbook questions, that is from the chapter number 3, that is numbers. So students, for that please take out your workbook and page number 18. Now before starting, students, let me tell you something about this. In this number chapter in the workbook, it is having three concepts: concept 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. Now all these 3.1, 2 and 3, it will have 22 questions each. So that means it will take a lot of time to complete these three concepts only, and we have 3 days actually in our hand, that is today and Thursday and Saturday. So after that there will be again left that the practice questions will be left. Now practice questions, students, what we can do is that practice questions I will try to complete a few of the questions which are more important or which are different from this. Then the remaining questions you can do as a home practice, or you can say it's a holiday homework, you can say. After that you will have the homework holidays, that is the summer vacation, and after immediately that you will get the exam. So it will be a practice for you also. So student, it's better that same type of questions you will do by yourself from the practice questions, only the different questions which are little bit not discussed, that type of questions we will discuss, and that may be on Saturday. And Saturday, as usual, we will have the Mindspark worksheet also at 10 o'clock, but it will be open till 8 p.m. Fine. So let us start with this one, and few of the questions I will give as a homework also, students, same type of questions. So it will be better for you to practice those questions by yourself. So let us start, students. Please take out the page number 18. And in the page number 18, we can say the I recall first is that there is multiple choice question. So question number 1, that is given the number name of that number is 4000 is, that will be obviously 4000. That is question number 1A. Question number 1, the option will be A, that is 4000. Then question number 2, the smallest 4-digit number is, the smallest 4-digit number, that will be number B, because the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Fine. So that is number B. Number 3, it is the number name of 2450 is, so that will be the option number C. The option number C is 2450. So that is 2450. It's given already in option number C. So that is the answer number 3. Now let us go for the next question, multiple choice again. Question number 4. Question number 4, it says that the place value of 3 in 36,456. Now students, 3 is in which place? If you see properly, if you count the places, it is in the 10,000 place. So the place value of 3 will be 3 into 10,000. So that means 3 into, it will be 10,000. So definitely it will be how much? It will be 30,000. So which is having the option 30,000? That is option number C. So of course the option number B is correct for number 5. Number 4. Then number 5. Number 5 is the face value of 4 in the number 65,470. Now student, as I already said, face value is always the same digit itself. Fine. So face value, you no need to do anything. The digit itself will become the face value. So question number 5, the face value of 4 will be 4 only. Fine. So that is option number C. That is option number C. Then question number 6. Question number 6 is the smallest 5-digit number comes just after the largest. Now largest, students, the largest 4-digit number is 9,999. Immediately after that, that means the successor, you can say, if you add 1 with that, what you will get? You will get 10,000. Now 10,000 will become the smallest 5-digit number. So they say the smallest 5-digit number comes just after the largest this one, that is 4-digit largest number. So option number D will be correct for number 6, that is 4-digit, largest 4-digit number. So this was till question number 6. Students, please pause the video and note it down in the workbook itself. Fine. And students, remember, all these questions have to be done in workbook itself. Okay. Now let us go for next question, that is fill in the blanks. In number 7, it is said that the number name of 72, that is question number 7, the digits are 7 to 145. So we have to write a number name. Now students, before writing the number name, please you have to put the period, that is the comma. So after ones period, ones, tens, 100, these are ones period, then we have to give the comma, and then the next 2 periods come, that is 1,000 and 10,000. So this period is of 10,000. So sorry, thousands period. So this will be 72. Now 72 will be 72,000. That means this will be 72,000. So we have to write like 72,000 100 145. So this will be the number name of this question number 7. That is 72,145. 72,145. So next question, that is number 8. Please turn the page now. This is the number for 19,238. Now they say question number 8 is, that is the number for 19,238. Now 19,000, so that means we have to write 19 in the thousands place. Then they say 238. So 238 will be 238. So this will be the number for question number 8, that is 19,238. Question number 9. It is said that is the number name of the number is already given below, that is 82160. Here also you put the comma first, and if you read the number now, it is 82 is in the thousands place, so it will be 82,160. So what we have to write is 82,160. So this will be the number name for this particular question, that is question number 9, 82,160. So student, please pause the video and write it down in the question number 9. Now the question number 10, that is very short answer question. Question number 10 says that what is the number name of 31829? Same type of question, students. Question number 10, the number is given 31829. So if I have to put the comma, here I have to put the comma. So now we have to write a number name, that will be 31,000, then 829. So this will be the number name for this question, that is 31,829 will be the answer. Fine. So please copy it down. Next, question number 11. Question number 11 says that what is the face value of the thousands place in 71,053? Now in thousands place, if you see the number 71053, if you see the thousands place is which one? This one, because 1 stands 100,000. Thousands place 1 is there. Now they are asking about the face value. So the face value will be, that means face value of 1, that will be 1 only, because face value, as I said already, it is the digit itself. No need to change anything. The digit itself will become the face value of the digit. So that is question number 11. Then question number 12, that is which is the largest 5-digit number. So question number 12, the largest 5-digit number will be 99,999. All 9 you have to repeat for how many times? 5 times, because 5 digit they say. So the number will become 99,999. So this is question number 12. So students, please pause the video and note it down the answer. Now let us go for the next question. And the next question is question number 30. Add 10,005 and write the number name of the sum. So they are saying that you have to add 10,000 plus what we have to add 5. So the number will become 10,005. So they are now saying to write down this number name. So the number name is 10,005. So that means we have to write 10,005. So this will be the number name for this question, that is number 13. Number 14 is to write expand the number. That means you have to write down the expanded form. So that means question number 14, that is 42,819. So if I have to write down the expanded form, students, you have to see the place value of each digit. The place value of each digit you need to find, and then you have to add them. Fine. So let us go for starting from 4 from the extreme left place, that is 4. Now 4 is in the 10,000 place, so the place value of 4 will be 40,000. That is 4 into, say if I have to write little bit in detail, so like this it will become 4 into 10,000. 2 will be 2 into 1000. Then 8 will be 8 into 100 plus 1 will be 1 into 10 and plus 9, because that is 9 into 1 in one place. So now it will become 40,000, it will become 2,000, it will be 800, it will be 10, and it will be 9. So the expanded form of 42,819 is this one: 40,000 plus 2,000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 9. Fine. So student, please pause it and write down question number 14 also. Now let us go ahead with the long answer question. This is number 15. Question number 15 says that find the place value and the face value of 1 in the numbers given below. So there are altogether 4 questions are given, A, B, C, D. So students, I will do only one, that is 15A. The rest are same only. So you follow that this question 15A, and then you can do the rest one as well. 15A, the number is 14,235. Now here students, I need to write down the place value of and face value of 1. That means you can see in all the numbers 1 is there. So you have to write the place value also and face value also of 1. So we will write that in this number, place value of 1, that is equal to 1 is in the 10,000 place, so that means 1 into 10,000. So that will be how much? 10,000 itself. And then finally face value, that face value of 1, and that will be 1 itself, because face value is the digit itself. So in all these numbers, the face value will be 1 only, so that no need to do anything. And in the place value, you have to just multiply 1 with the place. So here 1 is in the 10,000 place, so I am multiplying 10,000, so that is equal to 10,000. Now B, C, D will be your homework from question number 15. You have to do in this way of how I have done 15. So you can copy it down, and after that space is already given there, so you can do the A, B, C, D also there. Now let us go ahead with the question number 16, that is the next page 20. Write the expanded form and the number name of the numbers given below. Now here 16A and B, 2 questions are there. I will do 16A, B will be your homework because it will be the same. Now first of all, 16A, if I write, the number is given 56,789. So first of all, I need to write down the expanded form as they are asking. So it will be 5 will be in the 10,000 place, so it will be 50,000. 6 in the thousands place, so it will be 6,000. 7 is in the 100 place, so 700. 8 is in the tens place, so 80. And finally 9 is in the ones place, so it will be 9. Now I need to write down the number name also. So if I have to read this number, it is 56,789. Fine. So that I have to write in words. 56,789. So this will be the number name for this particular number, that is 56,789. Expanded form as well as the number name also. So question number 16B will be your homework. It is already places there. You can do it there itself. Fine. So that will be that is number 16. So students, please copy it down, pause it and copy it down now. We will go ahead with number 17 now. Question number 17. It is said that short answer question I applied. The number of flowers in shop A and shop B is given below. So there are 2 questions, that is A and B, shop A and shop B. How many flowers are there in both the shops? And separate the periods in the number and write their number name. Now student, here also I will do the number A. Number B is as it is same with A, so that will be your homework. So number A I am doing it here, that is 17A. 17A it is shop A, that is 52,000. 163. You have to put the periods. They are asking us to put the periods first. So I have put the period because after 3 place you have to put the period here. Now number name if I have to write, this will be 52,000. 52,000, then 163. So this is the number name for this number, that is 52 is in the thousands place, so it will be 52,000, then 163. So that is the number name. So question number A I have done. Number B you have to do by yourself as a homework. So below space is given, so you can do after number A there. Fine. So it is 52,163. Then question number 18. 18 also two questions are given. They are similar only. So A I will do, B will be your homework. So let's see how to do the number 18A, and then you can go ahead with number B as well. So student 18A, I will do it here only. 18A. It is said that form a number which has 3 in the tens place, 5 in the ones, 1 in the hundreds, 8 in the thousands place, and 8 in the 10,000 place. So that means you need to first write down the places. Now the places will start from ones, tens, then hundreds, thousand, and then 10,000. So these are the places you have to write down first. Then you put accordingly the digits, how they are asking you. 3 is where? 3 is in the tens place, so 3 will be coming in the tens place. Then 5 in the ones place, so 5 will come here. Then 1 in the hundreds place, so 1 will be here. Then 5 in the hundreds place, 1 in the hundreds place, 8 in the thousands place, that is here 1000 place, and 8 again in the 10,000 place, so 8 here. So the final number we got is 88,135. So this is the final number. Fine. So students, please you have to follow this method to do this number 18. And this type of question you may get in exam also. So please be careful with this question. This is a very important question, student. So question number 18A I have done. B you have to do in the similar way and below there. Fine. So that will be your homework. That is 18B. Now turn the page, student, page number 21. In page 21, it is given log answer question. Write the given numbers with the digits in the correct places of the place below chart. That means this question you have to do that. I will show you two questions, that is 19A and B. The rest C and D you can easily do. Here you don't need to do anything. You have to write down the place below chart and then you have to put the digits accordingly. Fine. Like I will show you at least two questions, that is 19A and B. So I am writing it down. So please note it down. So question number 19. So 19, write down the given numbers with the digits in the correct places of the place below chart. So let us write down the place below chart first. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000. Now question number A, it is given 56,412. So 5 will be coming in the 10,000 place. 6 will be coming in the thousands place, 4 in the hundreds, 1 in the tens place, and 2 in the ones place. That is number A. Number B, similarly 24,000. So 2 and 4 will come in the thousands place. 900 is 910. So done. So this way you have to do in the question number A, B. Similarly in C and D also. So A, B I have done. C and D you can do by yourself. So below that you write C and D and complete the table. Fine. So that is your question number 19. C and D will be your homework. A and B I have done. Now let us go ahead with the next question. That is question number 20. 20 it is given. Calculate the total amount of money if you have. Now we need to find out the total money. So here two questions are given. So similarly 20A I am going to do. 20B you have to do by your side. Fine, as a homework. So that will be a practice for you also, that you are able to solve it or not. So let us see question number 28. And student, this is also a very important question because this type of questions are frequently seen coming in exam, especially in IMAX PT exams or annual exam or half yearly exam. So see that question number 28. It is given 20 notes of rupees 100. So we will write 20 notes of rupees 100 is equal to 20 into 100. So that will be how much? That will be rupees 2000. So students, actually what we need to do is the easiest way. You need to take the number of note and the denomination, that is 100 rupees. So these two you have to multiply, then you will get the total amount. That means if you have 20 notes of 100 rupees in your hand, what is the total amount of that? That will be 20 into 100 and that will give you 2000. Fine. Secondly, 3 notes of 2000. So let us write down 3 notes of rupees 2000. So that will be 3 into 2000, which will give you rupees 6000. So this will be 6000 because 3 notes if you have of 2000 rupees in your hand, that will be 3 into 2000 and that will give you 6000 rupees. Fine. And then finally 5 notes of rupees 10. So 5 notes of rupees 10. So that will be 5 into 10 and that will give you rupees 50. Because 5 into 10, that is 50. So 5 rupee. 5 notes you have of 10 rupees. So that means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That will give you 5 into 10 or 50 rupees. So that is 50. Now we need to calculate the total amount. So we need to add all this now. So let us add all this. So 2000 plus 6000 plus 50. If I add this, so what I will get? 6000 plus 2000, it will be 8000. 100's place is not there, so 0. And 50 will be coming as it is. So it will be 8050 rupees. So the total amount is 8050 rupees. 2000 plus 6000, 8000 and then 50. Fine. So that is your question number A. Now students, question number B I am leaving for you as a homework, because the similar way you have to do the number B also. So you need to practice it by yourself so that it will be easier for you to understand the question. If you do by yourself, then only you will understand. Fine. And then it will be easier for you to solve it in exam also. So that 20B will be your homework. Now let us go for question. So please note it down student, this question, how to do it. We'll go ahead with 21, that is the I explore horse. Now students, I explore horse, there are two questions, 21 and 22, and then it will be over. So 21, if I say write the face value and the place values of the two digits underlined in the number 54,726, find the difference and the sum of the place value. First of all, let us write down the number 21, that is 54,726. Now they have underlined two digits here, that is 5 and 7. We need to find out the place value and the face value of these two digits underlined. So let us find out first. We will write down place value of 5. Now 5 is in the 10,000 place, so that is 5 into 10,000. So that will be 50,000. Then we have to write face value of 5. So that will be 5 only. Okay, so place value also we have found out, face value also we have found out of 5. Similarly, we need to find out the place value and face value of 7 also, because that is also underlined. So we have to write place value of 7 is equal to 7 into, now 7 is in the hundreds place, so 7 into 100, that will be 700, and face value of 7, and that will be 7 itself, because the face value will remain as it is, no changes. Similarly, as in 5 also you can see 5 is the face value of 5 and 7 is the face value of 7. Fine. Now we have got the first part of the question. They asked us to find out the face values and the place values of the two digits, that we have done. Second part, find the difference and the sum of the place values. We need to find out the sum and difference, but of the place values, not the face values. So we will first go ahead with the sum. Sum means we have to add the place value. Place value of 5 is how much? 50,000. So that is 50,000 plus place value of 7 was 700. So the sum will be 50,700. Fine. We need to add and subtract only the place values, not the face value. Fine. Now similarly difference. Difference means subtraction. So difference will be 50,000 minus 700. Now 50,000 minus 700 will give you 49,300. If you subtract properly according to the you can say column method, then you will understand that 50,000 minus 700 will give you 49,300. That too is a very easy subtraction, you can do by yourself also. So it is 49,300. So students, we got both the answers now. First we have found out the place below of 5, face below 5, place below of 7, face below of 7, and then they are asking us to find out the sum of the place below, so that is 50,700, and the difference of the place below, that is 50,000 minus 700, because 50,000 is the greater, 700 is the smaller, so 700 will be subtracted from 50,000 only, and then we got 49,300. So that is the question number 21. Let's turn to page 22, and this will be the last question for today's class. That is question number 22. Write the face values and the place values of the two digits which are underlined in the given number. Find the difference between their place values. Now students, same type of question it is. Fine. Write down the face value and the place value of the two digits which are underlined in the given number. Now similarly here also the same thing we have done. Two digits are underlined. You can take the example, say question number 22a. Students, please copy it down first, then I will show you when question number 22a, B will be your homework. Fine. So again I am going to show you question number 22a, though it is the similar one, but still I will show you. Please copy it down first. Okay. So let us go ahead with the 22a. The number is given 90,275, and the number digits which are underlined is 9 and 7. Now here students, you have to find out the face value and the place value of the underlined digits first. So we will go ahead first with 9. So we will write place value of 9. So that is 9 into 10,000. So that is 90,000. Then face value of 9, that will be 9 only. Then 275. So that will be place value of 7 will be 7 is in the 10th place. So 7 into 10. So that will be 70. And face value of 7 will be 7 itself. So this is the first part of the question, that we have found out the place value and the face value of the given digits which are given. Fine. Now we need to go for the second part, that is find the difference between the their place values. Now here students, they are not asking us to find out the sum, they are asking us to find out the difference only. So this time we are only going to find out the difference, but of the place values only. Fine. So the difference is equal to, so the difference is equal, so that is 90,000 is greater, 90,000 minus, and it will be 70, because 90,000 and 70 are the place values of 9 and 7. So here we have to find out that 0 minus 0 it is 0, 10 minus 7 it is 3, then it will be 9, then 9, and it will be 8. So the answer will be 89,930. So when we subtract 90,000 and 70, obviously 70 is done, so 89,930 will be the difference. So this is the question number 22a. Now 22b will be your homework student, as I said, because in the similar way you have to do 22b also. But here no need to find out the sum, only the difference. So students, please copy it down, pause the video and copy it down also in the place there. B also, place you have to make out there only and solve it. So students, we have completed the concept 3.1 today of the workbook. Now 3.2 and 3.3 is still left. So Thursday I will complete 3.2. I will try to complete 3.3 also on Thursday itself, so that at least we can have Saturday's class, at least we can go for some practice questions. So maybe Thursday's class the video may be little bit longer student, but don't worry, whatever it is we have to complete it. Fine. So you don't need to go to all the video, the complete video at one go. You can watch the video at least part by part also. Fine. So whenever you will get a free time in the afternoon also, or in the evening time also, then also you can easily do it, or watch the video and write down the homeworks. Fine. So the homeworks I will give you assigned time, and on that assigned time you have to submit the homework. So students, as I said, let us meet on Thursday now, and Thursday I will try to have the Zoom class on this Thursday for you 4C, and though I will have the Zoom class, but at the same time I will send you the video also, because video is very much necessary to complete the portion or the syllabus. Fine. So after the video, after the Zoom class, you can go for the explanation part of the video. Fine. So let us meet on Thursday, and till that time, study well, do the homework properly, and watch the video properly once again, and note down all the answers in your workbook, and do the homework also in the workbook. No need to do anywhere, place is already given. Fine. Thank you.